Hey everyone, it's Timmy Ross, and today we're at the nature park. And I've been on this thing already, and I've been on that thing. I'm going to show you guys I've been on that thing. And there's the swings, the playground. Today we're going to use those things, that, and the zip line. Unfortunately, I'm by myself because I just want to hang out and chill by myself. But next time I come here, I'll bring even more damn people. I might bring my friend Roosevelt, and go subscribe him on YouTube. Excuse me, at Roosevelt Wooden. Like and subscribe to this channel and turn your post notifications on. It's Timmy Rawson. And go subscribe to Coke Boy something. Go subscribe to him. But I'm gonna get on this thing and zip line. That's the first thing I'm going to do. I've been on this thing 4 times. And go add me on Snapchat, trawson68. And my Instagram is Timmy/Rawson. Hold on, let's get started. I'm trying to bring the zip line back. Just give me a second. Oh, damn. Can you guys see it from here? Yep, you guys can. Just hang on, let me get on this damn thing the right way. Oh, damn. Oh, heck. I'm gonna go on this thing 3 times. Hold on. And I'm not going. I'm wore out. I'm wore the hell out. Okay.